Welcome to Z Auto Advisor, your one-stop destination for the latest and most detailed reviews on two-wheelers. Today, we are reviewing one of the most popular and reliable commuter motorcycles in the Indian market, the Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters. If you are looking for a bike that delivers excellent mileage, comfort, and durability, then stay tuned as we dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value for money. Design and build quality. The Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters carries a simple yet elegant design that appeals to a broad audience. It features a sleek fuel tank with stylish graphics that add to its premium feel. The chrome finish on the exhaust and the modern-looking headlamp enhance its overall aesthetics. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy frame that ensures durability, making it a long-lasting companion for daily commuting. Engine performance and mileage. Powering the Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters is a 124 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces 10.7 brake horsepower at 7,500 rpm and 11 Nm of torque at 6,000 rpm. The engine is refined, smooth, and built for efficiency. Equipped with Honda's enhanced Smart Power (ESP) technology and a silent start system, this bike ensures a noiseless and vibration-free riding experience. The real highlight is its mileage. Expect around 55 to 60 kmpl, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Ride comfort and handling. Honda has always prioritized comfort, and the Shine 125 cubic centimeters is no exception. The soft seat cushioning, perfectly positioned handlebar, and upright seating posture make long rides stress-free. The telescopic front forks and hydraulic rear shock absorbers provide a smooth and stable ride, even on rough roads. The bike is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver through city traffic. Braking and safety features. For safety, the Shine 125 cubic centimeters comes with Honda's Combi brake system, CBS, which distributes braking force between both wheels, reducing stopping distance. It is available in both drum and disc variants, giving riders the option to choose based on their preference. The tubeless tires further enhance safety by reducing the chances of sudden deflation. Technology and features. The Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters is equipped with a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip meter. The 5-speed gearbox improves highway performance, while the PGMFI, programmed fuel injection, system ensures better fuel efficiency and throttle response. Additionally, the silent start with ACG starter motor eliminates the irritating engine cranking noise. Price and verdict. With a price range of approximately 78,000 Indian rupees to 85,000 Indian rupees, ex-showroom, the Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters is a value-for-money offering. It competes with bikes like Hero Super Splendor and Bajaj Pulsar 125, but its superior refinement, comfort, and reliability make it a preferred choice for many commuters. Final thoughts. If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and comfortable daily commuter, the Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters is an excellent option. It perfectly balances power, mileage, and durability, making it one of the best-selling motorcycles in its category. That's all for today's review on Z Auto Advisor. If you found this review helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such detailed reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you are planning to buy the Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters, or if you already own one, share your experience with us. Stay tuned for more reviews, and ride safe. I've created a detailed YouTube script for your channel, Z Auto Advisor, on the Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters. Let me know if you'd like any modifications or additions.